Hello, today we'll be comparing Cuisinart single serve coffee maker plus coffee grinder versus KOTLIE 5in1 19 bar multi-capsule espresso coffee machine. Be sure to watch to the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Type of coffee: KOTLIE is better. Brewing capacity: KOTLIE is better. Pressure system: KOTLIE is better. Programmability: Cuisinart is better. Brews range control: Cuisinart is better. Single serve option: Cuisinart is better. Water reservoir is tie. Hot iced coffee brewing: KOTLIE is better. Technology: KOTLIE is better. LCD display: Cuisinart is better. Heating speed: KOTLIE is better. Ease of use: KOTLIE is better. Filter type: KOTLIE is better. Size portability: KOTLIE is better. Cleaning: KOTLIE is better. Footprint design: KOTLIE is better. Build quality: it's high. Special features: KOTLIE is better. Price: KOTLIE is better. Who's best for? Depends on your preferences. Coffee quality: KOTLIE is better. Durability is high. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that really tastes good making coffee, then the best choice will be the KOTLIE 5in1 19 bar multi-capsule espresso coffee machine. The link to buy it is in the video description.